Are you sleepy? Yes! Get yourself a coffee to boost your energy. But it takes a long time. That's the old way. Use the new easy and fastest way with the fully automatic coffee machine. This machine can mix coffee, milk, and chocolate automatically like a professional barista. Oh, this machine can mix chocolate and milk together with coffee automatically? Interesting. Not only that, this machine is able to make various variants of coffee. And it's able to adjust the temperature by yourself. And it can adjust the temperature too. All the convenience and practicality you will find in this machine. It even cleans itself automatically. Get your own fully automatic coffee machine today by calling 0819 3849 6478.